welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm a little bit under the weather, so if you can hear it in my voice, that's what's going on here. But I'm really excited for today's video. It's gonna be a little bit different because yes, it's a home update, so there's gonna be some new things coming in the mail. We're switching things up, updating the house, of course, but today's video is a mini home update. So what that means is basically there's just small things that we've done around the house, nothing too major. I mean, you know, Mr. CB2 is coming, of course, but there's also little things that we've done around the house throughout the month, I think even month and a half, that I've shared on Instagram, I've made TikToks about, and I realized, I did not tell YouTube. So I wanted to add in some clips that I've uploaded on Instagram, on TikTok, as well as some new footage that I'm gonna be sharing here. So I hope you all like this style. You have to let me know what you think about this. So yeah, with all of that being said, if you wanna see how we update our house, a mini update, it's mini, but it's still really good. It's jam-packed with a lot of things, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so ignore the noise in the background, but we are working in the kitchen today and we are adding these really cute lights underneath the cabinets. These are an Amazon find. We're actually filming a TikTok and an Instagram reel, and it just makes such a big update. Hold on, let me show you close up. I love it. This is what they look like. They're just basically stuck underneath. It's a magnet and they're rechargeable, and it just looks so nice. We've only done 2 so far. We're gonna do all the other cabinets. I'm just really excited. This is so cozy. I just love it. You all know I'm such a lighting girl. Like, lighting is everything to me, and I think this is just so cute.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You won't max.
You guys, I cannot handle it. This looks so good. It looks so cozy and romantic. I don't know, it looks so much better in person than it does on camera. Like, the lighting just does not equate with the camera, but I'm telling you, in person it looks like, I don't know, magical or something. Like, it looks like a showroom. It looks so nice. I wish you could get the full effect. Trust me. I mean, even on camera, like, it still looks good, but in person it just looks so incredible. Honestly, how many times can one redo their pantry? Well, we're actually not redoing it, but we are trying to get organized and take all of the pantry like goodies and snacks and spices and everything that we have and putting them into new bins, categorizing them. Hopefully this will be the last time that we have to like even deal with the pantry. We attempted to start and we started filling up some bins, but we got sidetracked. So I definitely want to continue this in a future video of like getting it organized and maybe getting clear things and like pouring rice into clear little containers. We'll see. But as of right now, we didn't make it very far, but I wanted to show you the baskets. They're super cute.
As you guys can see, Kara's in her robe, tidying up the house. I'm just playing.
Leave me be.
What's up, everybody? As you can tell, I am in the playroom and we're gonna take care of some patches that I had left behind from the last project we did. Namely, because we did not have the paint any longer. I took myself to the big box store and got a sample size of the paint called Loft Light by Behr Paint. It will be linked down below in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. Yeah, everything will be linked down below in the blog. So I forgot to mention, I need to sand down the spots where I left spackle in before. So I gotta do that first. Let's go.
Okay guys, so you have to let me know how you like this style of home update where I show you some things that I've been working on and posting over on Instagram and TikTok, but including it into these like mini home updates. Thought it could be a fun idea. So basically we are in our bathroom and we're adding these like, I guess like holder attachments onto the wall. I guess they're just like shelves, like shower shelves into the wall. I have this speaker, which is so key, as well as this waterproof phone case so you can like watch YouTube videos and like listen to it. I really only use that if it's like a reset type of shower, like a whole shave and like scrub situation. I don't use it that much, but it's amazing. I love it. I love how everything turned out. It's super cute. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. Mr. CB2 himself just left, and we have the most beautiful new addition to the office. If you are ready to see what we got, let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah. I don't know why I feel the need to do that every single time, but here we are. This new pedestal, you guys, if you have been keeping up with the home updates, then you know that I had a pedestal before. It was huge, it was wooden, it was way too big, and I had to replace it. So instead, I got this gray one. I really, really like it. I think it looks nice with this space. I felt like this corner just needed a little bit of something, and I feel as though the pedestal was it. So the reason I chose gray, ignore the little seat cushion in there. Actually, don't ignore that. If you sit at an office desk or just at a chair for long periods of time, I'm gonna actually link this cushion. It's so incredibly comfortable, but that's not why I chose gray. I chose the gray one because I just wanted something with a little bit of depth over in that corner. I feel like it pulls in the tones from our wall art up there, but also on this side of the room, we have our gray metallic planter. I feel like it's really nice. It's really important for me to create symmetry. I like that. I have the 2 sconces, but I can always change out the decor on top to something with like a taller vase or decor depending on the season. And I just really like it so much better than the other one I had. And I think this is just really, really pretty. So I will link this down below. And yeah, CB2, you did good. I love it. Okay, you guys, so it's a couple days later and I am gonna be switching out the picture that's in this frame. We've had this frame in our downstairs bathroom for months now. I want to say maybe even like a year at this point. No, not that long. Maybe, I don't know. But we're gonna switch it out, and I'm switching it out to this photo right here. This is a picture I took at our favorite hotel in New York City. I just think it's like a boutique hotel. It's so pretty. So I just printed off this picture and I'm gonna put it in the frame. Super simple, not a very exciting update, but yeah, it's just really easy. You could do this at home and make it personal. Okay, I had to reprint it because this was way too tiny. It was too small, so I'm printing it again. Okay, yeah, so this will definitely fit. Yeah, this is perfect. I'm actually going to get some tape and tape it in just to make sure it's straight. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love this. Oh, I need more tape than that. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's go hang it up. Super cute. Okay, and this is what it looks like in our downstairs bathroom. I think it's really cute. We still need to patch up the walls. That could literally be its own video with the amount of patching up we have to do. I swear, whenever we complete a project, we're never really done because we always leave it like that and it's so annoying. So definitely need to do that. But yeah, I just thought I'd share how I updated this. Again, very small, not like a super important update, but I think it was really cute and it was super easy. Anyone can do this. You guys, it was due time that I got my desk under control. It was a little crazy. I spared you the like mess, but basically I took everything out of my desk and I got these clear containers. I will link them down below, as well as this museum gel. I'm just sticking it on and I think it turned out amazing. It's so organized. It makes me actually excited to like open it up, get to work, and I just feel like, I don't know, a boss babe, I guess, but I love it. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's everything that I have to share in today's mini home update. You have to let me know in the comments what you all thought of this video. If you liked seeing the TikTok footage, the Instagram reel footage incorporated into a home update, let me know in the comments. And yeah, you guys, with all that being said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and my little mini home update, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.